Hello, in this video I'll tell you, does Logitech G413 TKL SE have multimedia buttons? Okay, so let's begin. This device actually has some media buttons, but to use them we need to use the two button combination. They are hidden under the F6, F7 and F8, and to use them we need to hold the Fn. And now, when we click on the F6, we will play the previous video, for example, in our playlist. When we click the Fn plus F7, we will stop or play the current video. And when we click on Fn plus F8, we'll go into the next video on the playlist. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.